You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. They are often confused for one another. They have quite a different meaning and also a different pronunciation. So let's go through. The top word here with an E is pronounced peddle. It's if you're trying to sell something by going from place to place. Peddle. 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 Now, the bottom word is pronounced as paddle. 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 A short ball with a broad babble. Also a paddle that you use on a boat. Paddle. So, top word with an E, peddle. Bottom word, paddle. Different pronunciations. Can you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.